Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to another episode of Buck Bronco. Today we're going to talk about lift kits, and specifically I'm just going to do a series on lift kits that are out for the Bronco or will be out for the Bronco, and today we're going to focus on the BDS suspension lifts that are actually for Bronco. So today I'm just going to walk you through, obviously this is just BDS suspension website, and kind of show you what they have and what they have coming. So if you just hover over Ford, you can see that they have Bronco and obviously 2 4-door. And then some kits will be dependent on 2 or 4-door. Today we'll focus on both of those, but we'll just go through the options that they currently have. So right now they have this 3 to 4 inch DSC coilover lift kit system, and I mean it's top of the line. I mean you guys probably have seen this come out. A couple Sema rigs were hooked up with this one, so this is a full coilover setup with upper control arms. So in this kit you can see you get front and back coilovers with reservoirs, and I mean these guys are probably the top of the line. They're up there with Kings and stuff like that. So that's a full replacement for your strut assembly for the front and rear, and then you also get these, which are the upper control arms. So this is a kind of like if you're going to be taking it off road and you're going to be using it, I would definitely recommend this kit. And it's top of the line, and of course you're going to pay top of the line price. So looking at almost $6,000 for that. You can see they're multi-valve, so you can tweak them based on your setting, on-road, off-road, more firm, less firm, and so forth. This was actually the ADD Bronco that actually probably had them on there. As you can see, there's some other aftermarket stuff on there, wheels, tires, bumpers, some graphics on that one. So that is pretty much that setup. I mean, it looks badass. It's pretty nice looking. It's a good setup for the people who need a little bit higher end stuff. And then of course they have future kits that are coming out. Anything from a 2-inch lift all the way up to a 6.5-inch lift as well. And they teased a little bit here and there. Some of their builds from Sema did have them on there, and I think that you can't go wrong with the BDS lift, in my opinion. I've seen BDS kits ran on, F250s that I've had, F150s, I mean, and so forth. So if you're looking for a high quality kit, BDS is a no-brainer. I would put, this on my vehicle, and I love that they have this warranty. If anything breaks, anything goes wrong, they're basically going to replace it for you. And I've actually seen warranty claims with BDS, and it's a no questions asked policy. They basically will do that for you. And I did talk to BDS. I am on their newsletter and trying to get more info on the kits and when they're going to be released. They said, I would say second quarter of this year. I do know that the Max lighter kits use their upper control arm, so that's a good thing. So I think their kits basically will come with control arms, upper and lower, coilover lifts, obviously with a coilover spring. And then I'm interested to see what kind of drop diff they have for the bigger lift. I assume that they're going to have a drop lift for that. So I guarantee you that kit will be out sooner than later, depending on part availability because of COVID and everything. So look out for that one. Now, BDS probably will come out with other things, probably shock upgrades and stuff like that with their kits. And yeah, I mean, there's no thrills, questions asked. I would definitely put these on my vehicle. Let's go back, and I'm just going to go to this. I'm going to hover this, and it's probably going to be the same thing for the 2-door. Yeah, same thing for the 2-door. I mean, I don't see any things, that will make that kit so different. So we'll look forward to that as well. So again, this is Jesse with Buck Bronco. I'm going to be highlighting all the parts. This is part of my lift kit series that I'm going to be coming out with. And as I know news, I'm going to be releasing it to you guys. So look out for more videos. As soon as this kit drops, I'm going to be featuring it in a video. Okay? Guys, take care. I'll see you on the next one.